Wait, babe, can you change? You don't match my theme. So right now I'm going to be doing a video on social media then versus now. So comparing it like a couple years ago to now because there is such a big difference. Let me know down below which one you guys like the more. Comment below letting me know which one you guys like more then versus now because there are so many big differences. Like even the phones, like I miss it so much. This is my mom's old phone. Like I just miss sliding it open like so like dramatically and flipping my phone dramatic. What kind of phone did you guys used to have? I used to have the pink Razr and I thought it was the Before I start this video, definitely be sure to subscribe. The link will be right here and down below. Guys, be sure you turn on my post notifications. It's just that little bell thing and click all because YouTube's starting to like not notify you if you don't click that. So definitely click it. Yeah, I cannot stress it enough. Also guys, don't take this video too seriously. It's just for entertainment purposes. Also, social media is such a big part of my life. Like it's literally my life. But I am so blessed to have you in social media because I would not be where I am today without you guys. So I love you guys so much. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on all my social media. I feel like this is a perfect video to like promo that. So yeah, all my social media is at Krazyrayray and my Snapchat is Sarai or this emoji. So yeah. Without further ado, let's get started on social media then versus now. Let's go. Number 1, YouTube. I just remember all those like old viral videos. It makes my heart so happy rewatching them.
We're going on an adventure, Charlie.
Severus
Dumbledore. Thought he bit me. Hit me, baby, one more time.
I miss those days. And just recording videos on your webcam and just uploading them directly on YouTube. Hi guys, so right now I'm gonna be doing a haul. Now I feel like YouTube is all about like the clickbait and drama and all that, which kind of sucks, but it's entertaining. Like you can't deny it. Hi guys, so right now I have so much tea to spill right now. Where do I even begin? Thumbnail. And with making videos, it's evolved so much. Like it literally takes like a couple days to just post one video. It only took me like 30 minutes to just record, edit, and upload a YouTube video. Now, it could take up to a couple days.
6.5 hours later.
Oh my god. Oh.
3:28 a.m.
I can't do this anymore. It's literally been like 10 hours and I'm still not done. I can't, it's literally been 10 hours. Second one, Instagram. I remember when Instagram just came out and I was like, no, like Facebook is the OG. I was like, like I don't want it, like Facebook is my place. I remember I would just post the weirdest pictures like, with bokeh filters and stuff. Yikes. And now with Instagram, people have like multiple accounts. You have like a theme. People are intense with Instagram, let me tell you. This does not match my theme.
Theme? Wait, what's your Instagram?
Wait, which one? I have a main account, I have a spam account, don't tell anyone. And, oh duh, I have one for my dog.
Your main?
Oh, it's just at Krazyrayray. Wait, speaking of Instagram, can we take a picture right now? It's like a really good time to post. And the algorithm, I haven't posted in 2 days, so can we take one right now?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Wait, can you change? You don't match my theme. Oh, also, I mean, just, you should follow me on Instagram. Number 3 is Snapchat. Snapchat has evolved so much. Like, back then you could only send photos. And do you guys remember when you could see everyone's 3 best friends? 'Untitled. Pretty girl Tam. Who's Pretty Girl Tam? Jordan.
Wait, what?
Jordan. Pretty Girl Tam. Who is that?
Tammy. My cousin Tammy.
Your cousin?
Oh my god.
Oh. Got it. Whew. That caused a lot of drama. Like, I low-key won it back, but like, that would be a lot of breakups. Now with Snapchat, there's so many filters. Ads, sponsorships, Snap Cash, like literally so many things. And you can chat people, like, and FaceTime on there. You can do everything. Number 4, Facebook. Back then, I'm like acting like I'm like an old person, like back then in my days. No, back then, Facebook was poppin'. Like, I begged my mom for me to be able to get a Facebook. And then I just made one on my own without her knowing. Hee hee, love you, mom. I remember like stealing, after the movies, you would always have to return like the nerd glasses or whatever. I would keep those and then duct tape them and like just post these like weird Facebook pictures. I feel like with any friend that you have, like you can go all the way back and we have the weirdest pictures. Yeah. Now Facebook is more of like the parent app, you know? I'm not bashing Facebook at all. I love Facebook and I feel like they're starting to be poppin' again. It's like the parent website, you know? The last one is Skype. Oh, I miss those days. Back then, I used Skype so much on video call, voice call, literally everything. I loved that. I literally would Skype for like hours with my friends. Now it's all about FaceTime. Like what is Skype? I don't know her. I think that's everything. I was gonna do MySpace, but I never was on MySpace. My mom would not let me get one. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this social media then versus now. Definitely comment below letting me know if you guys like social media now or then, because it's evolved so much in so many good and bad ways, you know? But gotta love social media. Definitely subscribe, it will be right here and down below. And don't forget to turn on my post notifications to be notified when I upload, because you're not gonna be notified if you don't. So it's just that bell thing. Don't forget to press it. You don't wanna miss my face. I'm just kidding. Just so you guys know when I upload, click that button. I love you guys so much. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!